this part of our program, we shall be answering posts from our friends on Facebook. Thank you for patiently waiting for us to answer your questions. The author of this question is Jonard Teaño. He asks, Orthodox or Catholic? Alin sa dalawa ang mas authentic na simbahan ni Christ? Ano po mga katibayan nating mga Catholics na mas may authority tayo na tawaging tunay na simbahan ni Kristo at ng mga apostol kaysa sa mga Orthodox? Ano ang tunay na dahilan kung bakit humiwalay sila sa atin? Pakitulungan po ako maliwanagan. Maraming salamat po mga kaibigan. Jonard, thank you for sending in this question. Okay, alam mo Jonard, napakahalaga ng tanong na ito. Nakakatakot sagutin kasi sa ilang minuto ayoko na magtunog parang simplistic and in the process masyadong one-sided, no? Kasi napakasalimuot ng kasaysayan. But I want to give you at least the beginnings of a response. At sana, pagkatapos ng sagot kong ito, magsikap ka rin magbasa-basa, magtanong-tanong, baka marami ka pang matuklasan. Yung salitang orthodox, ibig sabihin talaga niyan ay holding on to the true faith. Kaya pati ang Roman Catholics, kung tutuusin, dahil we claim to have the full means of salvation and the truth about Christ, so we say we espouse the orthodox teaching, orthodox faith. Ngayon, pero in the early church, bagamat universal ang simbahan at iisa, maraming traditions na na-develop. Halimbawa, sa India, merong Syro-Malabar Church, may Syro-Malankara Church. Sa Greece, may Greek, may Russian, etc. Antiochian, yan, may Chaldean. Lahat yan iisa. Okay? Tapos, in the early church, meron silang kanya-kanyang rites. Pero yung rites na yon hindi lamang yung ritual ng liturgy, kundi even their own theology, their own spiritual approaches, but in the diversity, it is one church. Okay? Ngayon, yung diversity na yan, kung minsan umuuwi sa paghihiwalay. Katulad ba ng, kailan ba dapat ipagdiwang ang Pasko? Merong isang simbahan, gusto December 25. May isang simbahan, they prefer January 6. Okay. Kailan ba ang Easter? Paano ba natin i-calculate ang Holy Week? Yan. Tapos, merong isang naging malaking tanong. Itong mga malalaking simbahan na ang tawag na patriarchy, meron silang patriarchs, heads. And the Latin Church, ang patriarch is the Bishop of Rome, the one we call the Pope. Nagkaroon ng kaunting sigalot dyan. The Church of Rome claims that its bishop, the Pope, being the successor of Peter, has supreme authority over the whole church, has primacy of jurisdiction. Hindi lang sila mag-i-equal itong mga patriarchs. Ang paniniwala ng Roman Church, yung kanyang patriarch is universal pastor. Bagamat yung mga patriarchs of the Orthodox churches recognize that there is a singular honor of the Bishop of Rome, ayaw nilang tanggapin na yun ay primacy of jurisdiction, kundi primacy of honor. Honor lang. Kaya naging masalimuot, ganyan. Pero ito ang sasabihin ko sa iyo, yung tunay na Orthodox churches, kasi ang daming grupo ngayon ginagamit yung salitang Orthodox. Pero mukhang hindi naman sila affiliated doon sa tunay na Orthodox churches. Pero yung tunay na Orthodox churches, napakalapit sa atin. Recognize their sacraments, their priesthood. Okay? Kaya napakaliit ng ating kaibahan. And mainly sa mga disciplines and of course, the recognition of the primacy of the Holy Father.